Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? So guys, my husband is in the background. We're gonna do some fry up fish. Maybe after I fry it up I might cook it down. We're gonna do some steamed cabbage, and I don't know, maybe we're gonna eat it with some leftover rice and peas, or we might eat it with some fried breadfruit. Alright, so come join me guys. Alright. Please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Okay guys? Alright, let's go cook. Alright guys, so basically we seasoned up the yesterday. We put a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. Alright, and what else? A little bit of black pepper. A little bit of onion and garlic powder, and that's it guys. Alright, so we're just gonna fry it up. I have some olive oil over here. Alright, straight olive oil. You just fire too low? Huh? My husband say fire too low guys, so let's turn it up. Onion and scallion on it, okay guys, and lots of pimento. You can see this guys. Oh my god, my husband needs so much pimento. Oh. Guys, you see pimento? Oh my god. Alright, we're just gonna fry this up and then we're gonna flip it over. Alright guys, and over here we have some cabbage and carrot, and we have some bell peppers and onions. Oh, just a little bit, that's too much. That's why it's so hard, it burns. Yeah, oh my god. My husband loves pepper and this is too much. Anyhow guys, we're just gonna turn on the stove for me please, and put the oil in it. Throw some olive oil in it. We're just gonna cook up everything one time guys. One more, a little bit more. Okay, alright. Like 2 tablespoons. Alright guys, we're gonna let this fry up while the fish are fried. And guys, you still have to put more pimento. Oh, you have to put, time. More pimento, more time. More pimento, more time. More pimento, more time. Oh dear Jesus. What else? Huh? I go hide the pimento back up. Yeah, put 2 Maggi cubes. Alright guys, so basically you just fry them up a little bit. So one pan thing, yeah? Jamaican style cooking this kind of guys. And watch no fear. If you have tomato, you can put tomato. My husband made me some porridge guys, but me drop asleep in a drinking. Oh god. So we're just gonna put everything in it now. Take time just on here. So guys, in the meantime, we're gonna turn over the fish. Alright. Perfect. Wait, give me a minute. Alright guys, we're gonna let that fry up, crunchy and nice. We're gonna put a little bit of onion powder. It's onion? Yeah. And this one is a garlic powder. A little bit of garlic powder. Not too much, about half teaspoon. A little bit of black pepper. And we're gonna put 2 Maggi cubes. 2 Maggi cubes. Vegetable cubes. And that's it. That's a little bit of salt, a little bit of salt guys, and that's it. Just gonna stir this up for me please, and then that's it. You don't need much. it with scallion? Yeah. We like our vegetables crunchy, so we know we're going to make it so crunchy, saggy. See? Another 2 minutes, guys, and we're going to turn this over. Turn off this stove. This done cook. We don't want it sour. Alright, and that's it. Alright guys, just so we fry them up here at nice golden brown. We're just gonna remove them here and put them here too. If you want to eat them like that, you can eat them like that. We're just gonna use a little bit of oil left. We don't use no excess oil. Alright. We're gonna make some gravy now. That's about a tablespoon of oil. So with this seasoning, we're gonna add some water. So I'm gonna put about a cup of water, right? And we're just gonna pour it over here. All right, guys, I'm cutting up some bell peppers in there. If you have tomato, you can put. I'm gonna use some ketchup because I don't have no tomato. When you're in a country, you just use what you have, guys. All right. A lockdown time. This is for me. I'm gonna put one more stack of scallion. We're gonna make the gravy, alright? So you're gonna have up some rice. What do you have, the rice and peas or what? My husband said I put rice and peas. I'm gonna put one Maggi veggie cube.
You need the garlic powder?
A little bit of onion powder, just a little bit. Guys, they might have in a different bottle, but I want in a hit. A little bit of garlic powder, right? A little bit of black pepper. Okay, that's that. Where is the Diana sauce?
No, Diana. Soy sauce and ketchup.
Okay. Ooh. We're gonna put a little bit of soy sauce. 1, 2 tablespoons.
No, I'm brown.
No, not brown. And a little bit of ketchup. We're gonna put quite a amount, maybe 1/4 cup. Yeah. Okay. And then we're just gonna mix it in to make the gravy. Alright, guys. Let me taste it. What you want? You want some salt. You have any meat seasoning? Any seasoning?
All purpose.
Give me some all purpose. And a little bit of seasoning like gravy, make it flavorful. Alright guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of all purpose in there. About a teaspoon, add a little bit of flavor.
One time.
You know, after I set the time, let me set it free. Alright, we're gonna let this come to a boil for about 2-3 minutes. Then we're gonna add the fish. Alright guys, I have about a teaspoon of flour. I'm just gonna put it in it to give it a little body. Because I don't like it when it's too watery. If you like butter, you can put like a teaspoon of butter in there. But I don't want no butter. If you have some cock soup, you can put some cock soup in there. I want it to be a little bit sweeter. Where's the paprika? I'm just gonna add a little bit of paprika to give me some color, you know. A teaspoon. Paprika give it nice color. I'm gonna get one bottle to throw it out in. Alright guys, now you see the fish nice. I'm just gonna set them in. Ooh. Pepper though. Alright guys.
The cover
So you fry up the fish like a stew fish like, alright? You can put more browning in it. It's up to you. Alright. They call this brown stew fish. Alright guys, we're just gonna cover up this for about 10 minutes and then that's it. This is where we're at. You can just you know, just take it up and do like this. Come on, up in the air. Yeah, right, this one. Alright guys, and you just kind of pour the gravy over it like that. Skim it up on top. Alright. I like when the gravy dry down, so it's thick and nice. Alright, my husband said, what you say? You want gravy for eat the food, right? Let's turn it off now. We don't want no war in this house, alright guys? Alright, so fish. This one called brown stew fish. Some vegetable. My husband loves vegetable. And we hot up some of the rice and peas left over. Alright, so I'm gonna share some for you. Alright guys, we're gonna share out some food. We did got company, don't you, son? Tell me amount of
One more is good to know.
That's good?
Mm-hmm.
Oopsie. Alright, rice and peas ready. Alright, we give him the big piece. One piece or two?
One is good to know.
One is good for now. And the little piece there. Some gravy inside. I'm gonna share some veg. That's what we're serving up. Right? That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Smells nice. Alright guys, so that's it. Alright guys, and this is it. Alright, my leftover rice and peas with my steamed veg and my brown stew fish, Jamaican style. Alright guys. And my husband pepper it in. Pepper the veg and pepper the fish. Alright guys, you have a good day. Bye guys.